we are paying some economic price for it. But the winner, hands down, is Putin.
Yeah.
Hands down. Let me give you one example, just because how big energy an issue it is. 2 weeks ago, Putin cannot sell all of his oil. A portion of it is basically in storage. And the oil that he is selling, he's selling at a steep discount. So when the oil price in January is 60, he's selling it for like 50, 48, 49, 50, 51, somewhere like that. Now you wake up a couple of days ago, on Friday, the same day we reported that he's helping the enemy, we waived the sanctions so India can buy Russian oil. Now the Russians tell the Indians, whoa, no more discounts. Why should I discount? You need me right now. So you don't want to buy it? Fine, don't buy it. And I'm not...